Again, pag stretch payment terms natin, 10,000 na lang monthly payment mo. So
within 36
talagang
months.
within 36
Yes.
months na zero interest. Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Your Top Realtor. So for today's vlog, guess what kung nasaan tayo ngayon? So nandito tayo sa
Philinvest Clermont project.
Together with me is Sir Aldrin, no? So like what he said, no, nasa Clermont tayo ngayon. But before we feature house and lot virtual tour, what we can see behind the no, sir,
yes,
it's a very beautiful sunset. Ayan. Bago tayo mag-virtual tour, no? Masasabi mo dito, sir?
Actually, ako, since nanggaling tayo sa grand open house today, upon seeing this sunset, parang na-refresh ulit ako. Parang pwede na ulit.
Pwede na ulit.
Pwede na ulit. Yes.
So, napakaganda naman yung view dito. And even mga mountain ranges. So,
yes,
if you could see, there are mga mountains here.
Yes.
So, we're going to flush mga mountains dito. And apart from that is, we also have the Mount Arayat.
Yes,
no?
of course.
So, we're going to talk more about Clermont, sir.
Okay.
So, when it comes kay Clermont, what are your most favorite strengths ni Clermont, sir?
Well,
in general?
In general, Clermont, the strength of Clermont is basically its location. Why I said location? Because Clermont is near with the NLEX. Actually, the last exit of NLEX, which is the Santa Ines exit, 3 minutes away, you reach already the Clermont. But not, there's more. Actually, 10 to 15 minutes, you have the Clark International Airport. Okay, so location-wise, this is a good location.
Yes. So, yun. Actually, that's number one talaga, no, Sir Aldrin, is the location.
Yes,
like what you mentioned, no, it's accessibility,
yes,
to the expressway, and even, favorite ko talaga to, sa Clark International Airport. And just to give you an idea lang, when we went to Thailand, no, sir, dinaanan muna namin yung Clermont and then pumunta kami sa mismong airport. So, it took us about 10 minutes drive lang actually. Nang walang traffic kasi ano na din yun, paggabi. So, yung flight namin gabi. So, mabilis lang. Doon ko mas na-appreciate yung project ng Clermont, no? So, with that being said, sir, with the location and what else? Aside from location, one of the strengths, ano pa yung masasabi natin advantage niya among other developers?
Okay, so additional advantage of a Clermont. Basically, Clermont kasi is a 52 hectares development by Philinvest land. Okay?
Yep.
So we have here 6 spaces. But the good thing about that 6 spaces is meron tayong mga amenity area on the phases. Okay? Meron lang tayong shared amenity on the phase 1 and 2 because ang laki naman nung nilagay nating swimming pool doon, which is the Olympic size. But on the phase 3, phase 4, and phase 5, and phase 6, meron tayong mga amenity doon. Standard amenity, we have the swimming pool, the clubhouse, the kiddie pool, the basketball court. Ayan, yung standard natin. Okay? That's the good thing about Philinvest development. Hindi tayo nagtitipid when it comes to the amenities for our future clients.
Which is yun nga, if you're naman resident with the let's say a certain phase dito, no, you could really enjoy the exclusivity,
yes,
no.
That's
and
the
then yun nga, actually yung kaninang client natin, he was asking if dun sa phase 1 ba pwede bang mag-swimming doon kasi it's already operational, no. Pwede naman, di ba, sir? It's just that magre-request lang.
Yes,
subject for request.
Subject for approval by the village admin natin, manager natin.
Yun. Yung sa mga amenity, very premium amenities ni
Clermont, yes.
So, what else, sir? Third, strength niya.
Okay, so third strength po natin dito kasi we cater all segment of the market.
Wow,
when we say segment of the market, not only Clermont kasi is not only cater a house and lot package. We have also the lot package.
Yep.
Kaya depende sa kliyente what they preferred, if they want the lot only or the house and lot package. Okay? So parang pagpasok mo dito, hindi ka makapag-decide bago ka lumabas. Kasi we have the lot, we have the house and lot. Okay? So yun po yung isang natin with advantage natin with other developers pa.
Correct. So meaning to say yun nga, sir, client meron siyang options to choose from the available type of property.
Yes, that's correct, sir.
Meron kasing mga certain types of client na gusto lot only lang so that they could build their own design. But sometimes, like yung mga ibang OFWs, they don't have like connection with the contractors and ayaw nila lang mahassle when it comes to dealing with architect engineers. They opt to choose instead yung sa house and lot package.
Yes, the house and lot package natin.
So, which is, right now, we will going to feature, no, a house and lot package dito.
Ayan.
And, ano bang phase to, sir?
Basically, ang house and lot package po natin is located at the phase 4 of Claremont.
Phase 4.
Okay.
Pero, sir, ano lang, cut lang kita doon, sir, when it comes sa phases natin. Kasi, yung sa Claremont pala natin, sir, actually meron siyang 360 virtual tour, no?
Yes.
Bago ko makalimutan. We will just put the link below, no? When it comes sa 360 virtual tour niya na mas ma-appreciate nyo. Kasi yung pagkakasunod ng phases natin dito is, hindi siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
But rather, 1, 2, 5, 4, tapos sa gilid is 6,
3 and 6.
3 and 6. Yep. So, ganun yung pagkakasunod. Hindi siya sequential na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And, wag din tayong ma-mislead dun sa like, ay, baka pag sa phase 6 or other phases, malayo na. No, kasi naka-spread out siya.
Yes.
So, again, feel free to check our virtual tour para ma-check natin yung location nila. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay? So, actually, sir, we're excited with the house and lot, no? So, let's go!
Let's go!
So, yun, sir. Ano ba yung model unit that we have here, sir?
Actually, ang model unit natin doon sa phase 4. The phase 4 kasi is puro house and lot package. Okay, so ang model house natin dito, we call it the Opal.
Opal.
Okay,
yes.
so the Opal.
Ano naman?
Oo, the name pa lang Opal. Okay, so to give you a description itong ating model house, this is a 2-story house kasi, which is single attached. Okay.
Yun.
Diba?
Sir, before we let's discuss the difference between single attached and single detached. By the way, we could hear the humming of the birds there. So, napaka-peaceful dito, no?
Yes,
we are still in the city, but yun nga na, parang very laid back din tayo, no? Ayan. Very nature tayo. You could see the humming of the birds here. So, going back, again, naano lang ako with the birds.
Oo nga.
The single attached. Oo nga. The single attached and single detached,
yes,
sir. So, pag sinabing single attached, which is sample yung sa Opal natin, we have the firewall.
Yes,
pero, pag single attached, no, wala ka pa din naman katabi. It's just that meron lang siyang firewall.
Yes.
Look at our back ng model unit. Meron lang siyang firewall. Pero, wala kang katabi technically or ka-adjacent na unit na tawag dito, yung sobrang magkadikit. Hindi siya. So, you still have a space actually, no, dito for like your carport,
for the parking. Yeah,
parking, ganyan, garden, or sometimes, sir, for those client na naghahanap na in the future mag-expand, they could put another room here.
Exactly, for the expansion.
Yep. So, that's single attached. However, pag detached naman, no, you could walk around dun sa buong property.
Yes,
wala siyang firewall.
Wala siyang firewall.
So, actually, that's the main difference lang. For the house and lot offering natin, it's a single attached.
Yes,
o tara, tignan natin yung sa, lot area, sir. So, the typical lot area that we have is how many square meters?
We have here the 88 square meter.
Yep. Okay. So, it's really a generous space na kasi almost close to 100 na din,
yes,
no?
Yes, exactly.
If you've noticed dito na, sir, ito yung pinaka-property line mo.
Yes, that's the property line. So, if you want an expansion, actually, meron kang space dito for your carport. Actually, kahit na siguro malaking car, kasya dito.
Yes, malaki. Kaya kasya, sir.
Sa sobrang laki
niya. Oo. Merong kapat din talagang extra space here. Yes. And even actually dito.
Doon sa frontage niya.
Sa frontage, yep. So, yan. Okay?
Okay.
Sige, pasok na tayo. So, pasukin na natin yung sa Opal.
Opal model unit. Okay?
So, this could be your living area, no?
Yes.
And then, dito yung sa dining. And kasama na to parang wash area or kitchen area.
Yes, the kitchen top. Oo. Pati itong take po natin, kasama na rin yan.
And sa ilalim, on the ground floor, meron siyang, CR
or the bathroom.
Toilet and bathroom.
Yes.
Ayan siya. Tapos, most of the clients kasi are parang gusto is meron silang dirty kitchen. So, you have the provision here for your dirty kitchen and laundry.
Yes.
Mahilig ka bang maglaba, sir?
Ay, oo naman. Palagi natin ginagawa yan.
So, ito, pwede naman dito mag-extend
for the dirty
for
kitchen.
the dirty kitchen.
Yes, oo.
And, ang ganda talaga ng sunset.
Ayan, pa-sunset na. Pablubog na talaga siya.
Sige. Yun. So, that's on the ground floor. And then, on the second floor, we have the
3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms.
And of course, the toilet and bath. Meron pa tayong isang toilet and bath sa taas. So, basically, dalawa.
Kasi sometimes, sir, may mga clients na, ayoko nang bumaba para,
Oh, that's why, nandun yung isa sa taas.
For the master's bedroom, meron pa.
Meron po tayo. Yes.
Pakakit tayo. Let's go! So, sir, yun nga, hindi din siya ganun ka-steep when it comes dun sa stairs niya, no?
Oo, yes.
Doable naman siya. Okay? So, this could be your master's bedroom.
Yes, this is the master's bedroom.
Ayan. Tapos, actually, kapag pag sa second floor, you could really see the mountains dito, like the Mount Arayat, no? Ayan. Tapos, ito nga, you have your toilet and bathroom. We will just going to flush it, no? Yung sa toilet and bathroom niya. But on this one, sa master's bedroom niya, no, meron siyang own toilet and bathroom.
Yes, meron siya. Nandito yung toilet and bathroom niya sa master's bedroom for the second floor. Okay.
Sige. And then, dito naman, sa second bedroom niya, ito.
Yan.
Okay, so this is your second bedroom. And we have the third bedroom. Dun sa third bedroom, if you will notice, no, sir, medyo a little, not too spacious for the third bedroom, yes. No? Kasi, dun sa second bedroom, kung gusto nyo lang for bigger space, pwede naman nilang alisin yung partition to make it more or bigger, yes. No? Kasi yun yung sinasuggest namin sa client. Or, sometimes, this third bedroom, kasi parang cute size lang siya, no? They are, like, converting into office, yes, especially for those clients na work from home setup.
Yes, diba? It's like a small office on their home.
Diba? Yep. And not just about this one is a fully finished.
Yes.
So all the vinyl, the painting, the
partition is already in place.
So, fully finished na lang.
Yes.
Halos yun nga, appliances and furniture na. And right now, sir, ayan, no, nandito tayo sa actual site din.
Yes.
No? And we will going to visit yung sa ongoing construction, yes, natin. So, one thing that I love here, tara, pasyal tayo. Dito. One thing that I love here is meron tayong mga options, no, for a certain block, which is as of the moment, no, as of August, no, block 3, no, na ongoing na yung mga constructions.
Yes.
So the earlier na maka-avail ka, pwede ka makapili na ongoing na kasi for Claremont, no, specifically yung buong Claremont, no, naka-land develop na siya, no. So, nandito na yung mga road networks natin, yung electricity, the water. So, kaya meron na tayong mga soon-to-be RFO.
Yes, actually. No? Meron tayong mga binibuild ngayon. Actually, on this area po, this is a Block 3 actually. All of the lots on the Block 3, stretch nito is ongoing po ang development nito ngayon. Tinatayo na po natin yung mga Opal units.
Yes. And, tara, let's have a closer look, no? When it comes naman sa materials and quality, kasi of course that's the most important thing, yes, aside sa aesthetic, no, but rather yun nga, we want to have quality materials. If you will notice, no, buhos tayo, no, sir?
Yes, buhos tibay ang gamit natin. We're not using hollow blocks here dito sa Claremont.
Okay, patunay lang na malapit tayo sa Clark International Airport kasi we will be showing you here. Yeah, so can you see the airplane?
That's a live airplane.
Live airplane, no? So that is, I think, Cebu Pacific. No?
Cebu Fax siya.
So, and ayan, no, na patunay lang, no? Can you please zoom in yan. So, Cebu Pacific yan na
maglaland yan sa
Clark International Airport. Yes. Diba? So, patunay lang talaga. It's a testament that we're very close to Clark Airport.
Yes,
no?
that's definitely right, sir.
So, game. Yan. Nakikita nyo, no? Ongoing na yung construction. Yan. So, yan. Buhos tayo. So, concrete tayo. Okay? And what else, sir?
Actually yan, hindi tayo gumagamit dito ng hollow blocks. All buhos to. Tapos yung second floor natin is also a buhos. Okay? So, parang on this kind of development or on this kind of house, merong peace of mind ng ating kliyente. Yes. Ng kliyente, ang bahay na bibilhin nila is matibay because this is gawa ng Philinvest.
Exactly. Of course, we have a reputable developer, Philinvest. And right now, sa nakikita nyo, actually this is a corner lot.
Yes.
No? Ayan, if you've noticed, dun kasi sa model unit natin, it's just an 88 square meter.
Yes,
but for this one, a corner lot. But mga ilan, 100 plus na, 125.
Yes, for the corner lot, basically, ang corner lot natin is around 119 square meters.
119.
Yes.
So, but depending on the specific block and lot.
Yes,
so, that's why feel free to comment down below, no? If you want to learn more about our specific inventory as of a real-time inventory, no, na sa system namin makikita. So, we're gonna check that one, okay?
Yes.
So, meron tayong mga corner lot, but, sir, for the corner lot, yun nga, the thing here is vatable na sila. But the good news here, for the inner lots that we have, they are still non-VAT.
Yes.
Which is, later on, we will going to discuss the sample computation. Okay? So, ngayon, sir, the most exciting part is maybe some of our potential clients right now who are watching this video, they're curious about the price. So,
yes.
Again, for the inner units that we have, no, there are still non-VAT. So, as per BIR ruling ngayon kasi, na kapag 3.6 below yung isang property, no, pag na house and lot na type of property, no, it will not be subjected to VAT.
Yes.
So, which is one of the good news for the Opal or the Claremont na house and lot package na single attached is they're still non-VAT.
Yes.
So, with that being said, let's dive into the computation. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. I'm gonna show you a sample computation. Ayan. So, this one is block 1, lot 37, no? And then, it's an 88 square meter of lot area and 53 square meter of floor area. Actually, we have different types of payment terms. We have cash, we have deferred cash, we have also 2 bank options na pag sa unang bank option natin, you could pay the down payment within 24 months, no? And on the last part na what I love is yun nga, very stretched up to 36 months, 0% interest na down payment, which is equivalent to 10% of the total contract price. So, sample natin, no? So, syempre, pag sa cash, so you get to have discount na 10%. So, from 3.8 na total list price, less the discount na 386K.
Yes, 10%.
No, that's 10%. So, this is the net selling price. If you will notice, wala siyang value-added tax. No? And then, you have the miscellaneous fee, which includes the processing fee. So, we don't have any like hidden charges.
Yes,
wala din bank fees, improvement cost, turnover fee. For the cash, kasi cash payment.
Yes.
Okay? And then, for the deferred, no? Kasi pag sinabing deferred, hindi ka maglo-loan.
Yes.
No? So, you will going to pay directly to the Philinvest of the total contract price. So,
That's
for this example, no? Ayan, 3.8 less the discount. So, you will going to arrive at 3.4 na lang na total contract price plus the processing fee na 174. So, the total contract price will be 3.6 na lang.
Yes.
Okay. So, those are the 2 options directly paying to Philinvest.
Yeah.
But for those client na like, Sir Alan, I want to pay the property at an installment basis. So, pwede naman.
Yes, pwede.
So, for the 24 months, no? Ayan. So, as of the moment, this is the sample computation na kasi it may vary depending on the ongoing promotion that we have. This is as of August 2025. Again, for further questions and updates, so feel free to comment down below or feel free to contact us with this number and we're more than happy to help you. Okay? So, going back, 3.8 less 10% discount then, no? Edi 3.4 na lang siya. But for this time around, meron siyang ano to, sir? Bank fee.
The bank fees.
Kasi, ito yan. Meron siyang bank fee na 139K. Kasi, of course, you will going to apply for a bank loan, no? And then, again, we're not hiding anything, no?
Yes.
We have a move-in fee na 7,000.
Yes, of course. It's already included with the total contract price.
Yep. So, therefore, 3.8 na lang. Okay. Sa 3.8 na yan, no? You just have to pay a reservation fee of 20,000. And then, since 10% yung down payment natin, 366K na payable siya in 24 months. So, kung i-divide natin yung 366,470, magiging 15,269 na lang siya. Okay? Monthly payment within 24 months.
Yes.
Right?
Over the 10%.
Yup. Kasi one thing that I love also with Philinvest, magaan yung payment terms.
Yes.
Kasi they just require 10% and then the rest of 90% can be loanable to bank. Kasi some developers are offering like mga 20%, 30% down payment. But for this one, it's just a small amount of down payment. Okay? So, edi 15,000 na lang. For, again, 20,000 reservation fee, a month after, mga 15,000 plus na lang siya, up to 24 months, zero interest.
Zero interest, yes.
And then the remaining balance of like the 90%, which is 3.4, no? If you will going to pay 25 years, nasa 24,000 na lang siya. Okay? So again, this is a single attached unit. So 24,000 na lang kapag nasa bank na tayo. Estimated
yes.
yun.
Estimated yan.
Na for 25 years. Again, it depends on you kung gagawin mo siyang 20 years, 15 years.
Yes.
Okay? And lastly, yung pinaka ano natin, no, na promotion up to 36 months.
Yes.
Zero interest,
yes.
And still 10% pa din yung down payment natin.
Yes.
However, since syempre medyo na-prolong ng konti, yung discount natin, sir, bumaba lang konti.
Yes.
So it's a 7%.
7%.
So 3.9 na siya, no, kasi nga nabawasan lang ng konti ng discount. 20,000 reservation fee and then the down payment 379 na lang yung down payment mo, which again pag stretch payment terms natin 10,000 na lang monthly payment mo. So
within
talagang
36 months.
Within 36 months na zero interest. Yeah. So you could really take advantage yung ganon na very long pa, lalo na kung you're not in a rush na mag-move in, yes, you just want to position your property investment here in Claremont.
Yes.
And lastly, kapag iba-bank loan mo na to, again, actually sir, halos pareho lang, 24,000 lang. Almost 24,000 lang din. Kasi nga, yun nga, advantage lang nun is you have
stretch long yung payment
terms.
But the required kasi is 10% lang din naman.
Yes.
Hinabaan lang natin.
Yun nga, medyo nabawasan lang ng konti when it comes sa discount.
Yes.
Okay? So for the site development plan, no, we will going to, I think, just an overview. Oo,
pakita rin natin kung ano ba yung mga available.
Overview lang,
for
no,
the site
sa map.
Yan.
So if you will notice here for a moment, saan na ito? Okay. Yan. So as of the moment, this is the site development plan niya. Ayan, can you see it? So, we still have mga color blue. Ayan, color blue. Ayan, yung mga blue ones are the available ones.
Yes, the available house at lot.
So, ito yung parang, main gate natin, no? Tapos, ito yung block 1, 3, 4. Tapos, yung block 2, ayan. So yung mga iba, hindi pa sila open as of the moment.
Yes, sir.
And again, you could check the Claremont Virtual 360. Ito, pakita ko. Ayan na, ito na yung link. So you could see, ito yung gusto ko sir. The virtual tour.
Kitang-kita mo kasi the whole development of Claremont.
Yep. So ayan yung, yan yung sa virtual tour, 360 yan.
Yes.
Ayan yung sinasabi ko kanina na this is the phase 1, phase 2, tapos phase 4.
Yeah.
Ay, 5
and
4. Ayan. Ayan. So, di ba? Ang ganda ng virtual 360 natin. And of course, kitang-kita nyo dito yung Clark Airport. Ayan siya. Yun. So, at least we were able to give you an idea for the house and lot package, no? And again, if you opt to avail yung sa lot-only package, we still have a few units left.
Few units left
For the lot-only package.
Which is located at the phase 5 of Claremont.
Ranging from 110 square meter to 150-ish square meter. So depending on the specific block and lot. So again, more details of this project, or if you have further questions, just let us know. And yun nga, feel free to reach us with this number or shoot us a message through our social media platforms, through Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. So again, I'm Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser. Together with me,
I'm Aldrin Di Maya, your senior broker coordinator for Phil Invest Project here in Pampanga.
So we're more than happy to guide and help you. See you on our next virtual tour. Bye for now.